from Maulana Azad National Institute of Technology, Bhopal, in Electronics and Communication Engineering. Uh, I have work experience for 1 year in Peoplestrong Technologies Private Limited as an associate software engineer, where I was given the responsibility to design the code for a product. Uh, I have scored 92.92 percentile in CAT. I scored 73.95 percentile in DRC, 90.95 percentile in DILR, and 95.6 percentile in Quant. From the starting, I focused more on the basics of Quant, DILR, and VARC. For VARC, I was focusing more on RC and parajumble. For DILR, I focused more on my calculative part and LR questions. And for Quant, I was focusing more on the calculations along with the basics. And the most important point was to give regularly mocks. So I was giving the mocks regularly and focusing on the parts which I can improve on. And the other most important factor was keeping my patience whole time and not giving up till I have given my final CAT exam. For VARC, my focus was mostly on RC patterns, and I have practiced 2 RC on a daily basis, and I was also practicing parajumbles also because they have a much portion of parajumbles in CAT. And for vocabulary, I was solving some of the word scrabbles so that I was able to understand the meanings also. So that was my VARC approach. Yeah. For one part, basically I focus mostly on basics of quant because the questions, if you're getting the basics, then you can easily approach to the higher level questions. So I was basically focusing on the basics. EduShast has helped me a lot in this because I was not having any source to study. So I approached EduShast for that. Um, so basically, I have given sectional mocks also for quant sections and mocks on the. I have also given mocks on topic based. So this has helped me to improve my quant topics individually. I was not initially. I was not very good with the speed, time, and distance. So I used to practice the questions that were given by EduShastra on a regular basis, and then I requested for the mock test, topic-based mock test for speed, time, and distance also. And so I was practicing at least 50 questions on the topic, which I was not very sure of. So I have also solved some of the questions from Arun Sharma, which has been a great help. So I was also not very strong in permutation, combination, and probability, which I have solved from Arun Sharma also. So this has been a great help. So for LIDI, we have regularly weekend classes, which were of 2 hours. That was very much helping because the basics were very much clear to me in those 2 hours, and then I would solve the questions given by the faculty. And I've also solved Arun Sharma for that, and I have focused on my calculation part for DI, which helped me to solve the questions in a time efficient manner. Yes, the VRC portion level has increased a lot since years. Uh, but as I said earlier, you need to practice more and more, and just to score better and for the better understanding of the passage or parajumble, I think practice is the key for that. And for quant, I think the level has decreased, but at the same time, you have to be very much time efficient and work with accuracy for that, so that the questions can be, you can solve many number of questions in the given time. CAT, I think the level is not that much that you cannot achieve your target, but you just need to keep your keep yourself consistent and motivated throughout. And you need not lose your patience or your calm if you're not getting your targeted marks in your mocks. There will be times when you won't be getting the targeted marks, but it should not affect your motivation, or it should not affect your consistency. You should be able to focus on your subjects, on your topics, so that you could achieve better in next upcoming mock. And I would also like to say that you should be positive throughout your preparation, so that uh, whatever you think becomes true, it is said. So if you think positive, then you will be able to achieve what you want. EduShastra has been a great help for me throughout my preparation. The faculties were really interactive and supportive. They have helped me in my doubt solving, and also they were very helpful with the with my assessment also, and they were also we were also consistently asking us about the problems that we have in a particular area or the topic, whether it be in VRC or VILR or Quant. And we were also provided with weekly mock tests, and regular assessment were done for us, according to which we were provided the mocks also. And we were also provided with the topic mocks so that we have better preparations for the exams.